you want to do the ingredients?
We've got 3 eggs. I think that's vanilla extract.
Yep, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, desiccated coconut, which is 250 grams.
Sugar.
Yes, and that's 100 grams of sugar.
What? Chocolate.
Yeah, we're missing chocolate. Is that your Easter egg? We'll take this. Now, if you scream, that's my Easter egg. I need to use some chocolate.
For what?
To dip the macaroons in.
No. Oh well, fair enough.
This is where you're supposed to sort of act all, you've stolen my Easter egg.
Thank you.
But, hang on, you've stolen my Easter egg. Right.
I've got a little guardian called Bash.
Is he going to help us cook today?
Nope, guarding the egg.
Oh, cool. What are you doing in there? But
He's gonna die himself.
don't shut yourself in the cupboard.
Sorry folks, he's just forgotten his hat.
How rude. I've got it on, honest.
See?
You stole my Easter egg again.
That's what he did with his bag.
Right, okay. We need the egg whites from 3 eggs.
He's just drowning.
So how am I going to do this?
I know, add the egg in the box.
Okay, add the egg in the box. Well, that egg. Right, so I need to be gentle with this.
That should do it.
Right, so we need to try
That's clear.
yeah.
You need the yolk.
The yolk. We'll just go backwards and forwards. Can you see that?
Why do you need to make the yolk go backwards and forwards? And into the cup. And now it's still running.
Oh. Right, okay.
Why is that written in Chinese?
Why's the what in Chinese?
Oh, it's not written in Chinese. Why is there one egg not upside down?
Because I'll probably put it in the thing upside down.
I'll flip it back for you. Wait,
I've got eggy. Oh.
wash your hands after using more eggs.
Yep. Okay. So we have, we've got the egg white. So this is the egg white.
Wait him to show when he's watching.
Yeah, right. Do you want to add the caster sugar?
How much?
All of it.
Sugar, sugar.
Right, so what we need to do...
Whisk it.
Yep. You don't have to turn it on? It's... rotate that to the right. Oh. Yeah, now turn it around. Oh.
That looks all yellowy.
So if you rotate it about,
There's dumb whisks.
so it needs to be light and frothy. So the sugar has dissolved.
Wait a noise. Something's going in the middle.
Seems to be getting on well, so we'll add a teaspoon vanilla.
Extract.
Yep. That's not going very white, is it?
It's going very golden.
That looks light and frothy to me. So we've added the vanilla, now we need to add the coconut. So keep on whisking.
I love coconut.
Yes.
I love coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
I love coconut macaroons. Oh dear, this is massive.
Is it clumping? Hello, dog.
It's pumpkin man.
You alright there?
What love is it? There's a lot of this getting in.
So I think we're just going to need to rotate that around to try and mix everything in.
Frying it all together and nice and goldish like these to make it look like chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah. Look, it looks a bit like chicken. Right?
Yep. Right, I think we're well combined. So the next step is to leave it to stand for 10 minutes.
What's to stand?
So this is just going to sit as it is. So leave this.
Can I taste it?
It's got raw egg in it, so no.
Oh.
Hello, what are you doing with the bowl? Right, so we'll be back in 10 minutes.
Oh, food for girls. That's what it looks like.
Want to do that first?
Maybe I should do it like this or this. It's up to you.
Viewers decide now. For the next step, we need to get a spoonful of this. It says teaspoonful, but I don't know.
Can I?
And it's supposed to clump. That's not clumping.
Hang on. Can I try?
Yeah.
So I team spoon.
Scoop spoonfuls of the mixture and roll into compact balls. Well, it kind of does it if you squash it.
I made this shape, so then I'm just going to like wash it down a bit. This is not going out good. Very difficult. That's not going.
I suppose squash it until you get some form of it. Yeah, the rolling doesn't seem to work. It seems to work better if you crush it. Well, like you've done there, just try and. Well, maybe not crush it completely, just squash it.
Now this is going to be a mega one.
That must be tablespoon. That can't be. This is supposed to make 12. Have you made enough balls?
Yeah.
Okay, so after this we put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so if I do the rest, and afterwards is dipping them in chocolate.
There we go. I really want to eat it.
Well, the thing is, we're not going to use all the chocolate, so after we've dipped this, you have chocolate left over.
It has to be enough. Found something good enough. That's not good enough.
So after these are cooked, you do realise we have to wait for them to cool down as well. Yeah, I think the chocolate's too warm.
Oh, it isn't. I've just broken in. Did you hold?
I'll borrow my daddy's own. Hello.
Hello. I can't find the rolling pin.
No.
Yeah.
To smash the chocolates. Are you just doing this so you can get some chocolate early?
No. Maybe.
Don't eat all the chocolate. We need some chocolate to dip.
Oh, cheers.
Right, so this is now going into the oven for 12 minutes. So
Put it on right
we're
here.
going to put these in the oven for 12 minutes. I've got
Grab a chocolate in here. Add it in. a staring competition. Which one will win? Which one will win? Still staring. Gotta still stare.
Yep.
I bet it will hurt your eyes. You will hurt your eyes. You got 4 minutes left.
Our alarm fell apart immediately.
See, when you do it flat, it will turn into a ball. Right? Right, Uncle Chris?
I have no idea.
Because look, that one wasn't a ball, and now it turned into a ball.
Well, that one just exploded.
Yeah. That one wasn't a ball, but then it turned into a ball and then exploded.
Right, wash your fingers. Right, we now need to let these cool. So, yeah.
For how long?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Shall we do 10 minutes again? 10 minutes, we'll come and check.
No. Maybe about 17 minutes?
Why 17?
I know, too cold. 30 minutes.
So next step is we need to microwave. The chocolate.
Microwave it.
Can't see everything I'm doing.
I can.
Okay.
There's the chocolate. You've got the chocolate.
Oh
look.
God. Can you hold the camera?
Sure thing, dude.
How do I turn the microwave on?
Are you ready?
Right, so yeah, what you need to do is grab it, dip it on there and then put it on the plate.
This one.
Yeah?
Grab it.
Yep. Quickly dip it. Now. Oh, yeah, this is okay, so we're going to have to try and rescue it. Oh no, it's
Okay. Everyone panic.
no, don't everyone panic. Well, that's now no longer a big one.
It's the biggest one. Look, it's the biggest one. See the biggest one, right? That's okay.
Yep, try a bit. No, that one's falling apart as well.
You're supposed to do it really gently. Look, that's not the tallest one, right?
Yep.
And then how we're going to do this one, right? Okay, that's a jumbo apart.
I think we're just going to have to make the best of this. The small ones definitely seem to be holding much better than the larger ones.
True. That was just jumbo.
That one done the same.
Jumbo. Jumbo is a jumbo. Any broken ones I want to add.
Oh, that one's gone. That one's gone.
This one's gone. They're all dying, Mama.
Right, okay.
Just
So,
eat the plain ones.
what we need to do now is grip. Don't know if you can
Eat the chocolate.
grip. Oh, this isn't going well at all. You're supposed to be able to drip the chocolate over. Okay, maybe don't get that on the floor. So we are going to have some macaroons and some macaroon bites.
Using these to sprinkle all over on top. If that happens, just sprinkle them on top. Right? Supposed to sprinkle them.
Can do, or you can give it a quick taste test, see if they're coconutty.
I want to sprinkle them.
Okay.
Much more like
Right, now we need to let these cool, and we'll come back after they have cooled. Well, we're going to watch you eat chocolate.
I feel you're judging me. Stop it.
Why have you got coconut in your hair? You have actually got coconut in your hair.
Oh, that is how they coconut macaroons and there's a chocolate eating contest.
This is hyper time.
Now this is my favourite desiccated. Very squishy. Look how squishy. I should wash my hands. I've got chocolate.
Yeah, you've got chocolate everywhere. No, don't put chocolate on the lens. Okay, time to give it a go.
Wait for you to go first.
No, well, thank you. I'll,
Don't it's stuck to the ground. It's stuck to it. That was a bad idea to put. You shouldn't have put it. Just put it in on top. Right? Now it's stuck.
Yes.
Don't,
Oops.
That was mostly your fault. You told me to dip them in, so I did it. You shouldn't have just put it in. Funnier than I expected. We're probably going to need a knife to cut. Oh, that was a good one.
Yep. Do you want to give that one a taste?
Yeah. Why not?
I think they're quite nice. So why not weld it to the plate like we've done?
And get tiny little bits off of it. We should save you for a month or two.
Yes, so give that a go, and
Don't put the chocolate on the bottom.
we're supposed to put it on the bottom.
Yeah, but it got stuck.
Put another more greaseproof paper on the bottom. Alright, do you want to say goodbye to everyone? Goodbye!
And also, if you have any leftovers of coconut, you just sprinkle it on top
Yes, sprinkle it on the top.
to make it taste nicer.
Okay, right. Goodbye!
Au revoir.